Morning to everyone. I welcome you all. Class 1 Maths. See students, today we will discuss about a topic that is a new topic here, units and tens. Already you learned from here 0 to 9. So already you learned numbers. Yes, 1 to 9 you learned, and number 10 also you learned. Okay. So in those what you learned, how to count the numbers. Yes. So how to count the numbers, how to use the object, it means how to count the objects and find out the numbers, and also you know that is how to write in word form. For example, one we can call that one ONE, one, like you already learnt up to 10. Yes. So here students, up to 10 numbers you learn. Today we will discuss, that is here tens and units, how we can be considered as a units. Yes. So I'll give an example here. So we can understanding from the groups of units. Yes. So groups of units we can be considered as here, it means we can take 1 to 10 units. So 1 to 10 units we can call as a 110. Like we will be study here the units and tens. Okay. For example, I'll take one ball. Okay. So this is one ball. Okay. So what we can call this one? This is one ball. I'll write here one ball. So one ball, or as a one thing, or as a one object, we can be considered as a one equal to 1 unit. One thing or as one object equal to 1 unit. Okay. So one ball we can be tell as here 1 unit. It means we can consider as a 1 unit. Okay. Like as here I'll take 2 balls. Okay. So 2 balls we can consider as here, I'll write here 2 balls. Okay. So in 2 balls means what we can understanding here, the 2 units, each each object we can be considered as a 1 unit. Okay. So we can tell as here the 2 units. Okay. Yes. So next one, I'll take 3 balls. 1, 2 and 3. So I'll take 3 balls. I'll write here the 3 balls. Okay. 3 balls. We can consider as here 3 balls means 3 units. Yes, we can consider as a 3 units. So it means again I'll repeat here, one thing equal to, one ball equal to 1 unit. Yes, like here 3 balls, we take here 3 balls equal to 3 units. Okay. Like next I'll go as 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4 balls. Okay. So 4 balls equal to how much units? Yes, 4 balls equal to 4 units. We can be considered as a 4 units. Like I'll take here the continuation of number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So I'll write here how many balls are there here. So now I'll write here. So 5 balls. 5 balls equal to how many units? So I'll write here 5 units. Is it correct? Okay. So each ball equal to each unit. Okay. So anything you can take. So we will be considered as 1 unit. Okay. Next I'll write here 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, how many balls are there now here? 6 balls. Okay. So 6 balls equal to how many units? 6 units. Yes. Okay. Next one, I'll take here the continuation of 7. The number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So we can write as how many balls are there here? So totally 7 balls. Yes, units, 7 units. Okay. Next one, I'll take next number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So totally how many balls are now? So now we'll take 8 balls. So 8 balls equal to how many units? There are 8 units. Yes? Okay. Next one, the continuation of next number. After 8, which number it comes? After 8, 9. Yes? So I'll take now 9 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, there are 9 balls. Okay, how many units? 9 units only. Okay, next number. So which is the after 9? Which number it comes here? After 9, 10. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10. Yes, totally how many balls are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 balls. Okay, so here we can be considering as here. So these 10 balls we can be considered as 110. So here how many units are there? 10 units. Yes, in 10 units we can be considered as 110. Yes, what we can consider? 110. 10 units equal to 110. 110 equal to how many units? 110 equal to 10 units. Okay, so this is we will study now. Okay, tens and units. How many tens are there? How many units are there? Yes. So 110 equal to how many units? 10 units. 10 units equal to 110. Understood? No? So remember this one. Okay. So the continuation of this lesson will be continued in the textbook. Okay. Yes. See here students. So in this lesson, so we can understanding, I already show you example, I'll take balls, but here what they can given here they can be given here example. So they can take here apples. Yes. So here each apple is a 1 unit. Like I told you, one ball is a 1 unit. Yes, each ball is a 1 unit. Okay. Write the number of units in the given box. Yes, so they can given here already the one example they did here. So one apple is equal to 1 unit. Yes, like 1, 2, 2 apples is equal to 2 units. Yes, yes. See here, 3 apples is equal to 3 units. Yes. Okay. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. Yes, I'll write here 4 apples is equal to how many units? Yes, tell me how many units 4 apples equal to? 4 units. Yes. Isn't it? Okay. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples is equal to how many units? Yes, 5 apples equal to 5 units. Okay. Next one. So next what they can given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 apples. 6 apples is equal to how many units? 6 apples is equal to 6 units. I told already you. So any object you can take on, so each object equal to 1 unit. Yes, whatever you can take, apple you can take, as banana you can take, ball, chocolates, whatever you can take. So how many those all know? So for example 5 chocolates means we can consider as a 5 units. Yes, like how many objects you have taken, no, like we will be tell as that much of unit. Okay, here see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many are there here? Apples, 7 apples. Yes, we can be considered as a 7 units. Yes, so here 1 apple equal to 1 unit, like 2 apple equal to 2 units, 3 apple equal to 3 units, 4 apples equal to 4 units, 5 apples equal to 5 units, 6 apples equal to 6 units, 7 apples equal to 7 units. Okay. Yes, likewise here. So up to 7 you already know how to write and how to find out the things and how we can be consider each unit equal, each thing equal to 1 unit. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 apples. Yes, so 8 apples is equal to how many units? So we are consider as 8 apples is equal to 8 units. Yes, okay. Next one, that is we will be count down how many apples are there. After 8 number, which number it comes now? After 8, the after 8 number is next number 9. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 apples. Yes, so 9 apples is equal to 9 units. Is it correct? 9 apple equal to 9 units. Okay, next one we are going as here. So next number of 9, which number it comes after 9? After 9, that is 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, so up to 10 apples are there here. Okay, I'll write here 10 apples. Okay, so 10 apples is equal to how many units? Yes, 10 apples is equal to, I'll write as a 10 units. But so one each apples, they are showing here arrow mark. Each apple equal to 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Like here also 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Okay, so each apple equal to 1 unit. Like how many apples are there here? There are 10 apples. Yes, so 10 apples is equal to how many units? 10 units. But here all 10 we can be considering as 110. Yes, what we can consider as here? Or 10 equal to we can call as, it means 10 units equal to 110. Yes, okay. They can given here every object you can take here, so you can count is 1 unit. Okay, so every object we can be consider as a 1 unit. It means counting of 1 we can consider as a 1 unit. Like 10 units make group of 10. It means so 10 units make a group of 10 means that is we can consider as 110. Yes, understood? So 10 units equal to 110. Okay, so next one, so we can go as here count and circle 10 objects. Okay, so write the number of round up objects and the remaining objects as shown here. What we will do? So they can be given here some of the objects, pictures they can be given here. So one example they showed here. What they can given here? One example. They can be count the objects, those all are 10. They can be give means round the circle. So they made round the circle of 10 objects. Remaining objects they are right here. So round up the object 10, remaining object we will write here. Okay. So how many ice creams they can be given here in first example? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12 are there. How many are there here? 12 objects are there. 12 ice creams are there. What we will do? We count only 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we count only 10 of objects. We'll round up only 10 objects. So what we will write here? So how many objects we will be rounding? No, it means consider as a 10. So we'll write 10 here. So remaining how many are there here? 1, 2. 2 I'll write here. Yes. So 10 of, consider as 10 of will write here, remaining object will write here. They can given here round up object, how many are there here? Round up objects are 10. So remaining object how many are there here? Remaining objects are 2. Yes. Okay. Next one, next picture they can given here. Some of the flowers they can be given. Yes. Yes. So first we'll count down how many objects are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there are 14 objects. So we can consider as only 10 objects we will take now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What we will do? We will round up to 10 objects. Yes. So we round the 10 flowers. So how many flowers we rounded here? 10. I'll write here 10 here. Okay. Remaining how many flowers are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 flowers are remained. Okay. How many are there here? Remained 4 flowers. Yes. So next picture they can be given here some of the dolls. Yes. So only we will be count down 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'll round up only 10 of the dolls. Okay. Yes. 10 dolls I'll round up. So I'll round up how many objects here? 10 objects. I'll write here 10. Okay. Remaining how many are there? No, we'll count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 dolls are remained object. Understood? No? Yes. So we count down here 10 and we'll write down. It means we circled 10 objects. So and remaining objects will write here. See, circled 10 flowers, remaining flowers will write. Circled 10 of the dolls and remaining dolls will write here. Okay. Next one. Yes. See students, here the fruit shop is there. Yes. 2 children came to buy a fruits. Yes. So how many fruits they'll buy? Okay. See here. First they can taken here count the bananas. Okay. So banana fruit shop. Okay. So here write the number of bananas here. How many? It means how we will write here? In tens column ones, units and numbers, total numbers. How many bananas are there? Here how many bananas are there? They can given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 bananas. So it means 10 units we can consider as. 10 units equal to how many? Tens? 110. Yes, okay. So 10 bananas are there. We can be considered as 110. Okay. Plus, how many units are there? 0 units. No units here. Is there any units? No. So we can consider as here 10 means how many tens are there here? 110. In column we will be write as 110. How many units are there? 0 units. Yes. 110, 0 units. So total number of bananas how many are there? Totally there are 10 bananas. Yes. So only 10 bananas are there. Okay. See in this picture. Okay. How many bananas are there? We'll count now here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 10 bananas of one group. Okay, we can consider as 110. Okay, so 10 of 110, yes, plus how many units are there? Only one banana is there, so we can consider as 1 unit. Okay, so number of tens, how many are there here? 110 plus number of units, how many are there here? 1 unit. So 110 plus 1 unit equal to total number of bananas, how many are there here? There are 11 bananas. Okay, second one, next one, how many are there here? Here I will write totally 10 bananas. Okay, so we can consider as 110. Okay, so 10 bananas of 110 plus how many units are there here? There are 2 units, 2 bananas are there. Yes, we can write as 2 units. Yes, okay. So here how many tens are there? So I'll write here only 110 plus how many bananas units are there here? Extra bananas, remaining bananas 2. Total number of bananas 12. 10 plus 2 equal to 12. Okay. So here, so I'll write each are there, no, the each strip we can call as 110. Okay, only total of 10 bananas. 10 bananas plus, so how many bananas are there here? 1, 2, 3. 3. It means we can consider as 3 units. Yes, okay. So 10 of 110, how many units are there here? 3 units. So we can consider as total number of bananas, how many are there here? Total number of bananas are 13. Yes, okay. Next one, here see. So here how many are there? Here totally in 10. It means 110. Yes, okay. 110 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bananas. It means 4 units. Okay. So here how many tens are there? 110 plus how many units are there? 4 units. Total number of bananas 14. 10 plus 4 equal to 14 bananas. Okay. So here see, there are 10 bananas. So we'll write here 110. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extra of 5 bananas we'll consider as 5 units. Okay. So 110 plus 5 units equal to number of bananas 15. Okay. Next one, here 10 of 1, 10. Yes, 110. It means here 10 bananas total. Okay. 10 units equal to 110. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 units. 6 bananas are there. So we can consider as 6 units. Okay. So here I will write 110. How many tens are there here? Only 110 plus how many units are there? 6 units. Total bananas how many are there here? 16. Okay. Okay. Next one. Here also same 10 bananas. So 10 bananas we can consider as 110. Yes. So how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units are there. Yes. 7 units means we can write as 7 units. Okay. So 110 I'll write here units 7. Total number of bananas 17. 10 plus 7 equal to 17 bananas. Okay. Next one, here 10 bananas. So 10 bananas we can write as 110. Yes. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 bananas we can consider as 8 units. Yes. Okay. So 110. How many tens are there? Only 110 is there, no? 110 plus how many units are there here? There are 8 units. Total number of bananas are 10 plus 8 is equal to 18 bananas. Okay. Next one. That is 10 bananas. So 110 Okay, so how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 units are there. So here I'll write as 9 units. Okay, so 9 units. So we can consider as 110 plus 9 units. So we can total number of bananas we will count. No, those are 19. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Okay, so here see students, this is the main important here. See how many bananas are already you learnt here. From here to here you will write in this here all are the 10 bananas. Okay, but here the number it can be increasing, one number it can be increasing from 1 to 9. Yes, now we will be after 9, which number it comes? 10. Okay, so here we can consider as 10 means here 110 plus, so number of bananas after 9, 10. 110 plus 110. So 110 plus 110 equal to 2 tens. Yes, so we'll add 1 tens plus 1 tens. It means 10 bananas equal to 110. It means 10, it means we can consider as 10 units equal to 110 plus 10 units equal to 110. It means 10 bananas equal to 110. Okay, 110 plus 110 is equal to how many tens now? 2 tens. Yes, 2 tens. 1 plus 1 will add after 10. No, so 10 we can consider as 110. So here 2 tens is written as here. So I'll write in the tens place, I'll write 2 because 2 tens are there. But here see, any units are there here? Any units are there here? No, it means no units, means we will be write as 0. Yes, so no units means here consider as 0. It means total number of bananas, how many are there? Total number of bananas are 10 plus 10 equal to total number of bananas are 20. Yes, so we can consider as 20. Up to here we will learn from here 1 to 10. Okay, so here 10 to 20 we will be learn. It means how we will be consider as tens and units. Okay. Okay, so up to here you will be learnt. So what you learnt here? Tens and units and tens. Okay, so I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you for watching.